It's a lovely day. It's a lovely day. Morning everyone, so it's lunchtime and I'm going on a quick lunchtime walk. So I decided to just film the activity, making sure that I document every part of my life. So let's see what's going on. I'm going to just put my postal vote in the letterbox to make sure that I vote for the Mayor of London. So that's my post box right there, typical London post box. And I'm going to put my post in. It will be picked up by 5:30 today. Let's put that in. There we go, so I've voted. I'll carry on with my walk. So it's quite windy today. Weather's around 10 degrees. You know, I'm well fascinated with church buildings because of their history, because of their architecture, and their solemn nature, the spiritual aspect of it as well. I get drawn to church buildings, and I normally read more about church buildings to you. So let's find out about this one. This one says Faithful Being, and it's on Salford Road. I'm just going to find out more about it right now. Look at the colours. The raw terracotta brick. You know, the colours are amazing. And the architecture speaks for itself. Can tell that this door actually dates back, you know, a few years. I wouldn't say even a few, dates back some years. If I can find the signboard, I'll read it to you. There we are, that's the signboard. So this one is St. Thomas's Church. Got a few do's and don'ts with regards to the park. It's a lovely small park. It's got different sections, and I'm on the smallest part of the section. So there's a natural play area for kids. Let's see what's in there. Lovely setup. Designed for kids to just come here and have fun and exercise. This leads us to another park within Tooting. As I told you, we've got different sections, and sometimes I skip here. You know, I jog around football field. Sometimes I actually skip here as well. Do my skipping. It's a lovely day. It's a lovely day. A lovely day. Enjoy life to the fullest. Make sure that you make the most of every single day, because every single minute, every single second, every single hour, every single day is a blessing. So even though it's a bit windy, I'm just gonna try as much as possible to just move around a bit, do a few squats, you know, see what I can do, jump around. Make sure that I get a bit of movement during lunchtime before I go back to work. This is going to be a quick one. Heart is beating, which is really good. You want to really increase your heartbeat every single day by doing lots of movements. You know, no matter how small they are, they will still count. So make sure that you move all the time, especially when we've had a lockdown, you've stayed at home and you've gained some weight. Now is the time to shed them off, no matter how small. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is a good time to do so. Click on that notification button and make sure that each video that I load, you do get it. Thank you and God bless you. To health and to wealth. Peace out.